Looking for the best portable top-loading washing machine but don't know where to start? Stay tuned as we break down 5 of the most popular models from the weakest to the best so you can find your perfect fit. Coming in at number 5 on our list is the Midea Compact Washer. It's the smallest and simplest machine in this lineup, and it's perfect for anyone looking for a no-fuss, ultra-lightweight unit. This model offers 5 wash cycles, a decent 930 RPM spin speed, and a stainless steel drum. It's designed for those who just need to wash a few items at a time, like gym clothes or baby laundry, without taking up a lot of space. However, the trade-off here is capacity. At just 0.9 cubic feet, it's by far the smallest in this roundup. It also lacks the versatility of the larger machines, and you won't get full drying, only spin drying. If you're a student in a dorm or someone who travels in an RV and needs a backup washer for light loads, this is a smart, budget-friendly pick. And by the way, all the links to the products in this review at the best price are in the description below, so check that out if you're interested. At number 4, we have the Avanti Compact Washer. It's similar in size to the Midea, but gives you a bit more flexibility with its 8 wash cycles and 3 load size selections. The stainless steel drum is a big plus, and its lightweight design makes it easy to move or store. It also has handy features like auto power off and a safety lockout, which are impressive at this size. On the downside, the Avanti is cold water only, meaning no warm or hot washes. It also doesn't have a spin dryer, so you'll still need to air dry your clothes or use a separate dryer. This is a great option if you want a compact washer with a little more control and don't mind sticking with cold water washes. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews just like this one. Taking the number 3 spot is the Giantex Portable Washer and Spinner Combo. This one is ideal for people who want a versatile machine with more settings to fine-tune their laundry routine. It comes with 10 wash programs, 5 selectable water levels, a built-in drain pump, and even a child lock for safety. Its stainless steel tub and transparent lid give it a premium feel despite its small footprint. The catch is that it's still quite compact with only an 8.8 pound capacity, and while it spins your clothes, it won't dry them completely. Like other small washers, it may also vibrate if the load is uneven. If you're someone who likes options and doesn't mind doing smaller loads at a time, the Giantex is a great step up from the entry-level models. Number 2 on our list is the Bonnlo Washer and Spinner Combo. This model is a serious jump in capacity compared to the first 3 machines, making it much more practical for everyday laundry needs. It features 8 wash programs, 5 adjustable water levels, a built-in drain pump, and a stainless steel drum that's gentler on your clothes. It's compact enough for small apartments, but big enough to handle a family's laundry in batches. The main drawbacks are occasional quality control issues reported by users and a modest spin efficiency compared to full-size washers. It's also designed for 110-volt outlets only, so it's less flexible internationally. Still, for its price point and features, this is one of the best balanced machines you can buy, offering a good mix of capacity, convenience, and portability. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Auertech Portable Washer. This machine delivers the best performance overall, combining a large capacity with a very high 1600 RPM spin speed. It has 7 wash cycles, 4 water levels, a self-cleaning function, and a child safety lock. The built-in drain pump also makes setup flexible. Compared to everything else on this list, it's a powerhouse for a portable unit. The only downsides are its heavier weight and larger size, which may make it less portable than the others. And like all the models here, it only spins your clothes rather than fully drying them. If you're serious about getting the most out of a portable washer, the Auertech is the one to beat. It's perfect for families or anyone who wants to do bigger loads without stepping up to a full-size machine. If you want to check out any of the products we've talked about today, the links are in the description below. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive reviews just like this one.